Put the plastic bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised what it can do. A simple disposable plastic bag will make your clothes cleaner after being taken out of the washing machine. How is this possible? Clothes carry dust, dirt, and hair. During washing, these contaminants often settle around the seal of the washing machine. That's why there are various dust and hair residues underneath it. All of this stays in the drum. Then these contaminants mix with the clothes in the next wash. But the solution may turn out to be a simple plastic bag. Put it in the washing machine. It must be a bag without printing. Add the clothes you need to wash. Add laundry detergent or a capsule. Pour fabric softener. Set the program to a temperature not higher than 40 degrees and start the washing. What will happen? There will certainly be more foam than usual. Due to the plastic bag, the detergent will foam more. Additionally, during the washing cycle, the plastic bag will collect all the dirt, fur, and hair that were on the clothes. When the washing machine finishes washing, open it and take out the laundry in the plastic bag. I'll show you that there is fine dust and hair on it. And I only washed one blouse. The blouse is clean, the washing machine too, and the residues were either rinsed away with water or removed from the plastic bag. Toss it in the washing machine, and dirt and lime scale will disappear. Your washer will be clean, and your laundry will always smell fresh. But before you focus on the drum, it's essential to take care of other key parts. Regular cleaning is crucial for fresh laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Start with the washing machine door. Wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth. Pay special attention to the seals where detergent residue, hair, and dust tend to accumulate. Next, tackle the detergent drawer. Never skip this spot. Pull it out, break a cleaning tablet into each compartment, pour in some vinegar, and scrub it all with a brush. Vinegar has antibacterial and disinfecting properties and helps dissolve dried-on deposits. Now, onto the washing machine drum. Toss in 2 cleaning tablets. These aren't expensive, specialized products. These simple tablets for cleaning dentures contain soda and citric acid, effectively removing lime scale, greasy deposits, and bacteria. Set the program as usual. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will thank you with fresh, fragrant laundry and trouble-free operation. Did you know that if you pour dish soap onto a sponge and toss it into the drum, the dish soap will break down buildup and freshen the inside of your washer? The sponge, thanks to its structure, acts as a carrier that releases the soap gradually during the wash. Together, they leave your washing machine smelling fresh and thoroughly cleaned. All it takes is 1 tablespoon of this powder to make your shower shine for years. Lime scale on shower glass appears very often and can be genuinely hard to remove, but there is a simple solution. Take a glass bowl and put 2 activated charcoal capsules inside. Activated charcoal binds impurities, neutralizes buildup, and absorbs residues responsible for dull, cloudy film, while remaining gentle and free from harsh chemicals. Crush the capsules thoroughly with a fork until you get a fine powder. Add a small amount of water to create a thick paste and mix well. Then add 1 drop of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves mineral deposits, lowers the surface pH, and boosts the effect of the charcoal, making dirt release more easily from the glass and helping the surface stay clean for longer. Now prepare a microfiber cloth. It is gentle, does not scratch the glass, and collects dirt very effectively. Apply the paste to the cloth and wipe the shower enclosure using calm, even motions, making sure not to miss any spots. Rinse everything with warm water and dry with a paper towel. The glass is clean, clear, and streak-free again. Activated charcoal is ideal for regular cleaning and can truly transform the entire bathroom. Recipe for homemade grout cleaner. After 15 minutes, they looked like new. It's incredibly effective and budget-friendly. The results are fantastic. In a bowl, pour 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Finally, add a teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything to achieve a paste-like consistency. Dirt, mold, and dust accumulate on grout lines. Their rough surface makes cleaning them difficult and time-consuming. Instead of scrubbing the grout with a brush, it's better to use the paste trick. Apply a thick layer of the mixture on dirty grout lines. Use a toothbrush for this purpose. The paste must cover the entire surface thoroughly. Leave it on for 15 minutes. If the grout lines are very dirty, you can extend this time up to an hour. After this time, remove the paste, wipe the floor with a wet cloth, and leave the grout lines. When they dry, you'll see a colossal difference. They'll regain their original color, and you won't have to scrub them. They'll be clean and mold-free. In the recording, you can see how huge the difference is. On the left is the grout cleaned with the paste, and on the right is the dirty grout. I do this once every few months, and my bathroom looks like new. One handful of rice saves me time cleaning the toilet. Start by pouring raw rice into a small bowl. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil on top to give it a long-lasting scent. Place the bowl in your bathroom. Rice naturally absorbs moisture, making it perfect for damp, musty spaces like bathrooms. This clever trick isn't just for the toilet. You can place the scented bowl on a table, nightstand, windowsill, in a closet, or anywhere around your home. The combination of rice and essential oil works effectively for a long time and also looks nice. Just refresh the oil every few days. And that's it. My grandmother taught me this method. Take a roll of toilet paper and soak it thoroughly under running water. Toilet paper has a structure that absorbs water really well. Once soaked, it holds a lot of water, making it perfect for the next steps. It's important that the paper is fully saturated. Now remove the cardboard tube from the center. When the paper is wet, the inner roll comes out easily. Then gently squeeze out the excess water. The mass should be damp but not dripping. Shape it into something like a donut. Pour fabric softener in your chosen scent over it, just enough so the paper soaks it up well. Next, sprinkle laundry scent beads on top. These small beads have a very concentrated fragrance that releases slowly and lasts a long time. Place everything on a colorful plate. Now just find a spot in the bathroom, ideally near the toilet. Put your homemade, uniquely shaped air freshener there. Your bathroom will have an intense, fresh scent that will be released gradually, neutralizing unpleasant odors. The effect can last for several weeks. 1 tablespoon of salt in the toilet? You'll be surprised what it does. All you need are a few common household items: salt, laundry detergent, both liquid and powder, and some vinegar. Start by grabbing a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half a cup of liquid laundry detergent, 2 tablespoons of powdered detergent, and half a cup of vinegar. Give it all a good stir until it turns into a foamy, bubbly mixture. It may look like a science experiment, but trust me, it works better than many pricey cleaning products. Next, pour the mixture into your toilet bowl. The best time to do this is at night before you go to bed, so the solution has several hours to work its magic. In the morning, just flush. And that's it. The results are almost instant. Your toilet bowl will be sparkling clean, free from stains, lime scale, and unpleasant odors. No scrubbing required. And here's the best part. If you use this method regularly, it won't just keep your toilet clean. It can also help keep your pipes clear, reducing the risk of clogs and plumbing issues in the future. No harsh chemicals, no extra cost. Just a smart, simple hack that works.